Popular Gaming here. Today I'm going on the four-wheeler. My sister's just ending her lap. And so that's it just down there. I don't know if you can see it, but when she parks it, I'll come show you. So, yeah, just so I'll show you now. There it is. Okay, Taya, park. Okay, it's my turn. Okay, come on. Okay. Shut up, dog. Okay, once I've got it ready, I'll see you soon. Okay, let's go. Yeah, because I drove past it twice and I thought, well, what the smell? And then I realized it was like...
Oh, here comes Jack now. Oh gosh.
Just film the car, Mum. Film the car. Ryan, hey Jack, go! Go, Ryan! Go! It was a race.
Yeah. Keep right. What? Yep. What's the time, Taya? What's the time?
14.
Okay.
What time will we leave?
Let's keep going in a minute. No, probably not, because I think they need to get going. Okay, we'll probably nearly have to go in a minute, okay? So one more, then we have to, one more, hurry up, come on. Yeah. No, not in that car, the bike's gotta go in there, in our car. Yeah, right.
Can I use this video here? So what's that? When I say?
Yep.